Okay, so this is the Leather Honey leather cleaner. Now, when I first got my car, I researched up and down what kind of leather cleaning kit that I needed, and this one came highly recommended, and so I thought, okay, I'm gonna get it. So I went ahead and purchased it, and I've used it ever since. It's been over a year now. This cleans and restores leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, anything like that. All you do is you take a small little amount, you put it on a lint-free cloth, and you start to rub it on top of your leather. Now, you don't want to saturate it. You want to allow it time to dry, but it's going to clean up your leather. It's going to make it shine just like it's brand new. It's really nice. It's not a greasy feeling or anything like that because I was really worried about how to do this, but it was very simple to do, easy. I've been able to wipe down all of my seats with no problem, and it doesn't really have a scent to me. So I like that. It's just a clean look and feel to my seats now because of this leather honey cleaner, and I really like it. So I would recommend this product if you have the leather seats that you're looking to clean and maintain.